The Hub-Centric method for BMW ring spacers. First off, let's break down what Hub-Centric BMW ring spacers really are. Unlike traditional lug-centric wheel spacers, Hub-Centric spacers are engineered to match your vehicle hub perfectly. This means the spacer's center bolt is designed to fit snugly over your hub, ensuring the wheel stays perfectly centered at all times, a significantly reduction in vibrations, and an overall boost in driving stability. Key element for any performance build. So, does Hub-Centric matter for BMW ring spacers? Yes, Hub-Centric is very important for spacers. Not all wheel spacers are made the same. In terms of structure, there are two main types of wheel spacers. Hub-Centric wheel spacers. These spacers are centered on the hub bolt, ensuring perfect fitment. Lug-centric spacers. These spacers are centered by the lug nut, which can less precise. For the best performance and safety, it is recommended to use Hub-Centric BMW wheel spacers. Hub-Centric spacers are better to keep the wheel centered on the vehicle hub, just like the OEM wheels. This eliminates the possibility of wear disorder and prevents the wheel stud from bearing vertical forces. This is why most people believe Hub-Centric BMW wheel spacers are much safer and provide the best ride quality. These BONOSS Hub-Centric BMW ring spacers are machined with a chamfer on the interface of the Hub-Centric lip. In simple words, BONOSS Hub-Centric wheel spacers come with better multi-stage Hub-Centric lip. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub fetch, which eliminate any possible gaps. Most general brand wheel spacers usually come with a warranty. It includes information about the manufacturer conditions. BONOSS spacers offer 10-year warranty. This 10-year warranty protects the customer interest and ensures product quality and safety. Remember, when it comes to ensuring a smooth, vibration-free ride and optimal performance, Hub-Centric design truly matters. It keeps your wheels perfectly aligned with your hub, enhances overall stability, and gives you that confidence when you are pushing your BMW to the limit.